Hey, good morning everyone. A quick unboxing for QardioArm wireless modern blood pressure, which is this one, and also QardioCore wireless EKG monitor, which is this one. Let's get started. Great, so I managed to get them from the packages. Now let's get them unboxed. So this is the EKG monitor and this is the blood pressure. Let's get started again. So this is the first, the QardioArm blood pressure, and I really noticed the good quality of packing. It's like you're unpacking a knife or something. So I did mention like it's designed in California, so I'm sure probably they're getting some from Apple, but the quality it's really nice. It feels like a premium. So yeah. So in the box there is only the blood pressure monitor, which looks like this, and I will see how I can make it work. I'm not sure if I need any batteries, or yeah, probably I'll need a lot of batteries for him. So exactly as the wireless blood pressure monitor, the EKG one, the quality of the box, it's incredibly good. Feels like premium. So yeah, what's actually in the box? So is the EKG one, some documents and literature. This one here. We have here some bands, some wireless cables, like USB cables for charging, some different straps. So yeah, 3 straps, and of course the EKG itself. Oh yeah, and this is where you actually charge it from the power source. Great. So to add this cable, you need to put it here, and it just slides. This is very nice.